What's up, y'all? We back with another episode of Truck Cooking with Truckerslife, baby. We got the fat trucker here. I'm just playing. I'm Truckerslife. Today we're gonna do something pretty simple. Pretty damn simple today. I'm getting a marinade going for this dinner that we're doing. Put some onions in there. Not too many onions. Y'all know how I am, but onions have been on my channel. If you're new here, I'm not a big crunchy onion person. So I put some onion in there, just enough to give it some flavor, but not to overpower it. So with me, it's easy for onion to overpower food. That's pretty much all the onion I'm putting in. Take it, tie it up. Take some of this teriyaki sauce with no preservatives. Smell that. Smell that teriyaki. Got some oyster sauce, all natural also. Yeah, not as much, but we're gonna put some of that in there too. Some white pepper. Grab it when it's not open. Oh well, they both gonna be used anyway because I like white pepper more than I like black pepper. Yes, we cuss over here, y'all. We ain't monetized, so I ain't gotta watch the language. Got some white pepper, ground white pepper. A good amount of that. Garlic. Grab me a fork or a knife or something up here. Yes, I'm watching the draft show with David Hellman, Kyle Yeomans, and Dave Bugler. Yeah, y'all know what I mean. Dave Brugler. There you go. Hold on. Y'all know how it is with I use powder. Take some garlic, put some garlic in there. Should grab a spoon. Grab some crushed reds. I'm not putting salt in this marinade because teriyaki sauce has enough salt and sugar. Sorry, that was crushed red peppers. I'm putting some ground cayenne in here. Just a little bit just to give it some flavor and a zing. And we're just gonna zip it up. And I told you we're keeping it simple today. Zip it up and mix it around so the teriyaki gets all over all the chicken. And this is going to go on the grill. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then we're just going to sit it down and let it marinate for about, what time is it? We're going to let it marinate for about 2.5 hours. And we'll be back, y'all. Y'all, we back. We're about to get the asparagus going. Put it in here. Butter in here. Already got the rice going. You already know how that goes. I'm just doing regular white rice today. That's why I didn't record it. Because y'all see me make rice plenty of times. And I'm making asparagus. A little bit of little pepper at the bottom. Sea salt. And then once it starts cooking a little bit more, I'll mix it around and get the butter mixed in up well. But as for right now, we'll go heavy on the top with the lemon pepper. A little bit to deal with the salt on top. I got my little oven thing back here. About to plug it in and get it going. I'm gonna put this on the cooler. Well, the freezer, you know what I mean. Plug that in first. Hold on. Move this water right here. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. It's time to get the chicken going. Like I tell y'all, man, I don't use 3 damn things to cook, and they are easy to clean. Butter in here. We got the chicken right here that's been marinating. Ooh, that smells good. Move that butter around. Chicken flat. And just so you guys know, I'm gonna slow down on the taste test for real, for real. Can't afford it. Really can't. I'm just gonna make 2. I'm not even gonna make the whole. So you know what? Might as well eat that tomorrow when I'm driving and make a sandwich out of it. I got some potato rolls. We'll get these onions out of here so I can saute these down. Straight on the caramelized. I don't want no crunchiness in my food. If I get crunchy onions, I will not eat it. Alright, y'all. Well, truckers will be back. I gotta cover this up so these onions don't, so these onions just soak up all the flavor and I don't let no flavor out, which steam is 99% flavor. Like if you're concentrating something or simmering, letting something simmer down, put the lid over it. But no, you don't put the lid over it. If you are steaming something, you have to have the lid. And I'm trying to steam the not potatoes, the onions. I don't know, I'm tired. Leave me alone. I'll be back. Sorry, you guys, I forgot to start the video. I drizzled a little bit more teriyaki on top of the chicken, and now I'm about to drizzle some more honey on it. This is some good honey, y'all. Got it at a store across the street from a truck stop in Lebec out here. Well, in the Grapevine, and it's made by a local family. Not a sponsor, but if you want to sponsor a video, hey, I don't got no money, so whatever is a sponsor to me. All right, y'all. I'll be back. All right, y'all. Here we go. Time to finish dinner. I just unplugged everything. The chicken is nice and glazed. Just cut it. See how easy that cuts. This would be so much better with freaking broccoli and some mushrooms. This is what you get when you have limited space and limited storage. I'm not gonna eat all of this, but I'll cut up one more. Still going. I got enough for salads tomorrow. Teriyaki chicken sandwich is free. Probably lunch tomorrow. Over here, grab my plate, grab a spoon, of course, grab a spoon, rice. Kind of off to the side a little bit. We still got the asparagus. We get that nice fluffy rice. Nice and fluffy. I think this is the first time I've cooked 100% in my truck since I got my grill. I've been using it a lot. I was going to use it today, but I was like, you know what, let's change it up a little bit. Let's get back to my roots. And maybe soon I might pull out the smokeless grill or the air fryer, the 7-in-1. It's also an air fryer, but yeah. It's good It's kind of patted down, so got a bed for the chickens to lay on. Got this knife back up. Put it right there. Pull this table all the way out. There we go. Move my Gatorade. Kind of got in the way a little bit. Yeah, that was me opening the asparagus. It kind of steamed me a little bit. It wasn't hot enough to burn me, so I'm good. As y'all know, I love these asparagus. There we go. That's plenty. Now we'll put this down. Back the top of the freezer. Put this back in. Let's scoop up some of this sauce. Spicy teriyaki sauce with more of a garlic, teriyaki, onion, I don't know what to call it, but it has teriyaki in it. There's honey in it. Chili flakes. And this is a finished product, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think, baby. What do y'all think? Chicken over rice and asparagus. Told y'all we was gonna do something simple today, but hey, it's time for me to eat. I'm tired of my mouth watering by smelling it. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later, truckers. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content, y'all. Truckers out, baby.